I've got two problems involving sums here. Write the following sum using summation notation. And there's something there. And find the value of the sum, and there's something there. So they're two similar things, but in reverse. Okay, I'll do the first one. I've got 1 over 2 cubed plus 1 over 3 cubed plus 1 over 4 cubed plus 1 over 5 cubed. Okay, so the general shape is 1 over something cubed. So I reckon if I want to write that as a sum, I could go 1 over maybe n cubed. And the n goes 2, 3, 4, 5. So it starts at 2 and goes up to 5. Okay, so that's the sum notation version of this. Okay, number 2, I've got the sum from n equals 3 to 8 of n plus 1. Okay. So the options for n are 3 to 8. So I've got like an n equals 3, and n equals 4, n equals 5, n equals 6, n equals 7, n equals 8. They're all the options. And then I have to put these into this formula and add them up. So I've got 3 times 3 plus 1, which is 4, and then 4 times 4 plus 1, which is 5, and then 5 times 5 plus 1, which is 6, and then 6 times 6 plus 1, which is 7, and then 7 times 7 plus 1, which is 8, and then 8 times 8 plus 1, which is 9. And so to figure out the value, I need to add all those things together. So let's see, I've got 12 plus 20 plus 30 plus 42 plus 56 plus 72. And I need to add them all up. Okay, well that's 50, 106. The plus 2 will get us up to 110, and then another 50, 160, and then 232, I reckon. I think I might need a calculator to just help me make sure I've got that right. So let's see, 12 plus 20 plus 30 plus 42 plus 56 plus 72, 235. Oh, I've written 23. 12 plus 20 is 30 plus 42 plus 56 plus 72, 232. Cool. So I've managed to do sums both backwards and forwards.